I'm going to be doing a step-by-step process on how to draw hair. So I'm just gonna draw a circle for the head real quickly, just the base. Not really gonna pay much attention to that. Yeah, it's pretty bad, but whatever. So, here's how you draw some female hairstyles. I'm gonna start with the girls first. So I'm kind of doing like a long, wavy kind of sort of hairstyle. It's quite simple. Just kind of add some lines. I'm honestly not very good at like that hairline part, but you get the idea, right? To make it a bit more realistic, I like to add some like outside hairs, I guess. And that's basically the first hairstyle. Okay, next hairstyle. Another one for girls is going to be a ponytail. So let's set their ears right here. I kind of like doing like this kind, sort of. I'm gonna do this one with bangs, but you don't have to. Like the way that looks. And for the barrette, I guess, that's gonna be holding it, I'm just gonna kind of draw a line. And just drawing a ponytail, kind of similar to how I was drawing the previous hairstyle. And that's basically it. You can add some lines if you want. Next hairstyle is another one for girls, or I guess this one could be used for boys too. It's just a bun. I'm kind of just like making kind of curls. And you just do the same thing as the barrette that you did for the ponytail. This one kind of has like a dip in it, and kind of like a circle, but like I put a dip in it. Yeah. Just adding those lines I did on the first one. That's basically it. I'm going to be doing a braid now for girls. So for a braid, I'm going to put kind of like a side part for this one. I'm actually gonna do like this and then this. Yeah, this one's a bit complicated. Sometimes they don't do it like that. Sometimes they do it different ways. I don't really know, but for now, this is just what I'm gonna do. It's pretty bad, yeah, but oh gosh, that was so bad. Yeah, so that's basically how I do one braid. I might do another video on how to do different kinds of braids, but yeah. Now I'm gonna start working on to the boys. So this is just like a basic kind of hairstyle for the first one. Kind of like, yeah, I don't really know how to describe this kind of stuff. So you have that. And now I'm going to do a more curly one. Draw little curls. And you just color them in with more curls. Yeah, that's basically this one. Now I'm gonna do another curly one, but in a different way. It's a bit more like a wavy curly one. Like that, kind of. And yeah, the curls that I did for that one. Yeah, now I'm gonna try doing a braid for guys. Just so you know, I didn't practice any of these, so I'm kind of just doing this off the top of my head. So these are kind of gonna be like dreadlocks, kind of. And it's gonna look kind of stupid, but like this. And like this. And just kind of to show that it's like going in the back. And like this. And like this. Yeah. Now I'm kind of going to sort of do what I did for the girls. This one's a bit different. Just kind of doing like crisscross lines, sort of. Like X's, kind of. And there you go. So that's all I'm gonna be doing so far. Yeah. Bye. Gosh.